Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can install Realtek drivers, audio drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do, so we need to type this on Google, Realtek Audio Drivers, and at the end Intel, and then we're gonna find this third link, or maybe for you is different link. This will be linked in the description below. This Realtek high definition audio driver for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And now we just click here on download, and we click on this, and then we're gonna download it. So as you can see, it started downloading. So if it doesn't start downloading automatically, you can click on here download manually, and it will start downloading again if for some reason it doesn't start automatically. And now after it finished downloading, you go here on your zip file that you downloaded, right click on it, go to your WinRAR or 7-zip to extract the archive. So click here, and now you will get this. And now it's important to run this setup.exe, and then the installation will begin to install, and you can install the program. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next video. Bye.